for coming back and watching my Golang tutorials. In this tutorial, I am going to explain about conditions used in the Go language. If you are already familiar with other programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, you can easily correlate the conditions. Nevertheless, let us go through the conditions and understand. So earlier we have learned the operators less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Similarly, logical operations as and exclusive and are and not. These parameters we have verified also the conditions in our previous example. If you have not seen, go and watch my previous video on the operators. Now let us understand the conditional statements. There are if, else, if and switch. If a condition is true, then a block of code to be executed if specified condition is true. Else, that means the previous condition was false, then it will actually go and execute the block which is there in the else block. If you use else if, that means it will again check with the condition, and if that condition is true, then only the block inside that if else will be executed. And in the switch statement, it will have many alternative blocks, and based on a particular matching of a block condition, the particular block will be executed. Okay, so let us deep dive and see how we can use these if, else, if and if statements, and in the next video we will talk about switch statements. Okay, so let us start. So how do we do that? If statement, if a condition and a flower products. If condition is true, then it will execute. Let us actually test it. See, usually in C language, right, we use parenthesis to make ourselves comfortable, right? So we can use like that. Without that also we can use. Without parenthesis also we can use it. Okay. So now 20 is greater than 18. So which is going to print. If you make it else and you make it a bracket and format dot ln 20 is less than 18. Do you think this is correct? It will never ever go to else port. What is this? So we have done a mistake here. Else okay, so it's the syntax. Okay, it should be in this format, else should be in this format, then only it will print, right? If else statement we have already tested. So if we keep it here, this raises an error, you see. Okay, So now we use if else if statement. Else if condition should be in the same. Okay, it should be in the same. So let us actually try this sample. Try this sample. You see time less than 20. This is false, right? And else if time less than 20. This is also false. That means this is greater than 20. That means it comes here and then prints. So this is how you will use if else. It should be in the same line. I just want to check and verify, right? Else if, that is how it is. Okay. Let us check nested ifs. Nested ifs means if a condition 1, then we can have a condition inside. This is nested. It doesn't have any relation with the condition 1. If it is true, then only a condition. I mean, I can have any number of conditions inside if statements. I mean, nobody will, nothing is wrong to, see if number is greater than 10, then in a program, I can have another, if statement, and then I can have another. So now number is 20. If it is number greater than, that means this condition is true, and then it has entered. Now number is greater than 10. Now if number is greater than 15, right? This is greater than 15. So number is also more than 15. So that is how it is. Okay. So this is all about conditions, and this ends the video. Thanks for watching, and if you want to continue, keep continuing. I will keep up posting the next videos and explain each and every statement of Golang, and we will do a major project also at the end. Thank you.